Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the pencil has at least 20% charge and your iPad's Bluetooth is on. Once done, attach the pencil to the iPad's magnetic rail to trigger pairing. Tap the on-screen prompt to accept. You should open the drawing or note app you'll use so the iPad recognizes pressure, tilt, and double tap settings. Make sure palm rejection is enabled in the app. This ensures your hand won't create stray marks while you start drawing. You now adjust controls for precision. Open your app's input settings to calibrate pressure and tilt sensitivity so strokes feel natural. Once you set double tap actions, like tool switch, undo, or color picker, you'll speed up work without menu dives. Practice short strokes and long sweeps to learn response. Light pressure gives hairlines, firmer pressure produces bold marks, and tilting creates soft shading. When you understand these interactions, you'll combine pressure and tilt to mimic real media and gain fluid, predictable results. You wrap up by storing the pencil safely. Keep it attached to the iPad or in a protective case and avoid cold or hot environments that harm the battery. Make sure iPad OS is current to get firmware improvements. Restart both devices if the pencil acts flaky. If pairing fails, unpair the pencil in Bluetooth settings, charge it for a few minutes, then reattach to the magnetic rail to force a fresh pairing. One troubleshooting tip: reset network/Bluetooth if problems persist and reattempt pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.